Welcome to the Funeral Program Site Questions and Answers video series. Today's question is, what do funeral programs look like? Because most people do not attend funerals on a regular basis, and not all services distribute funeral programs, you may not be aware of the many different styles of programs available today. Each has their own unique layout and format. Funeral programs have evolved to various layout presentations, and the choice is often dictated by the amount of information you want to include, and the family's preference. The traditional funeral program is a bifold or centerfold, printed front and back. This funeral program, as well as the other styles, is available in letter, legal, or tabloid sizing. You can even create more pages if needed and make your printed memorial as a funeral booklet. Other styles to consider is a funeral brochure, which is narrower and contains 3 panels, front and back. If you are looking for a smaller, compact size, the memorial card is a good choice. There are also more unique funeral programs, such as the graduated fold with tabs on the side or bottom. The gatefold creates a fold simulating the opening of a gate, and is a memorable keepsake for any loved one. One-page funeral programs in the form of a flyer sheet requires no assembly since there are no folds in its final presentation. Today there are much more choices available for creating a funeral program. It is also easier to create by using a ready-made funeral program template. These funeral programs no longer need to be created from scratch, but now can be downloaded from the Funeral Program Site online superstore. Check out the funeral programs available today only at thefuneralprogramsite.com.